Say goodbye to the hassle of opening cans with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless and safe can opening. With just the press of a button, this hands-free electric can opener takes all the work out of opening cans. Powered by Force AA batteries not included, it glides around the can's edge, cutting cleanly and smoothly, leaving no sharp edges behind. No mess, no spills, just perfectly open cans every single time. Designed with safety in mind, the blade cuts along the side of the can without touching your food, making it both food safe and hygienic. Plus, it's a game changer for those who struggle with traditional can openers. Whether you're elderly, suffer from arthritis, or have gripping issues, the Kitchen Mama Can Opener is here to help you cook with ease. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it a perfect fit for any kitchen. And the vibrant red color adds a pop of personality to your countertop. But it's not just practical, it makes for an ideal gift too. Surprise your loved ones with this thoughtful gadget that's sure to make their cooking experience more enjoyable. With the Kitchen Mama Can Opener, there's no effort, no strain, and no risk of injury. Simply press to start, press to stop, and enjoy effortless cooking. So what are you waiting for? Say yes you can to the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener and make your kitchen tasks easier than ever before.